Good morning, dear hearts. New lessons. Lesson 91. Miracles are seen in light. And I'm seeing this as a twofold or two separate distinct parts in this lesson. The first one is the lesson starts out that it's important to remember that miracles and vision necessarily go together. This is part of the new thought system, the basis of our new thought system that is being established, okay? Miracles and light go together. That's how we recognize the miracles, through the awareness of light. And this isn't the light that, that has anything to do with a light bulb and Thomas Edison. This has to do with the light within my mind. But right now, there's more faith in the dark than in the light. So I'm going to, even though this isn't about a light switch, I'm going to use that. So just imagine that you're in a very darkened room and you go into it and you cannot find the light switch. But outside of the room, you're hearing voices tell, no, it's right there, it's right there. There's lots of light in that room, it's right there. But if I cannot find the light, even though I'm told it's there, I'm going to go into a denial that it ever was there. And I will feel that the darkness is much more real than the possibility of the light in that room. I'm going to believe in what I can see rather than having any trust or belief in what I cannot reach out and touch, what I feel that I cannot acquire. Now, what this lesson says is that all you need for this, to have this shift, okay, and I always say that for me, of course, in miracles is a very gentle path. And one of the things is that it says your efforts, however little they may be, have strong support. So if I have just a little bit of willingness, oh, we know that word, that I choose and I want to find the light because I want to know and experience the miracles that will be seen in that light, then all I need is that little willingness, and I will have amazing support through the Holy Spirit, okay? Remember yesterday when we talked about that, as soon as there was a problem, the answer was given. And the Holy Spirit is always our answer now. He is here for us. Now, this lesson also says that your will remains your teacher, and my will of choosing the Holy Spirit is part of that. And your will has all the strength to do what it desires. Right now, there is a belief that we are bodies. And this lesson, the second part of it, as I see it, is that this is starting to work on us for us to have a correction of that thought, that we are not only bodies. In fact, we're not even bodies, but we have to work on that. So in the practice period, it says, for the 3 longer practice periods, that and here's the statements to go into those practice periods, that miracles are seen in light, the body's eyes do not perceive the light, but I am not a body. What am I? So here we're going to start to work on the idea that where is my strength? What am I? If I am not a body, then what am I? And where does this strength come from? We're not bodies, we're spirit. We're God's children. God is not a body, therefore we cannot be bodies. I need to start to, however difficult it is to believe in it, because again, I'm being told to believe in something that I have no proof of, whereas the body is, proof of life. So I'm going to go into this practice period and ask, what am I? If I am not a body, what am I? And it says to ask in honesty and to devote some time to this. And then it has other lines in here to use for the practice, that I am not weak, but strong. I am not helpless, but all powerful. I am not limited, but unlimited. I am not doubtful, but certain. I am not an illusion, but a reality. And I cannot see in darkness, but in light. So if you are going to split those sentences up, okay, those statements, the weak, the helpless, the limited, the doubtful, the illusion, and darkness are all about the body. Spirit, your truth, who you are, is strong, all-powerful, unlimited, certain, reality, and filled with light. So here we are, knowing that we choose the miracle and it's seen in light, and starting to unpack that body-bound thought, to start to release that all I am is a body. Obviously, I am not a body is a very integral part of our studying, and it will appear in many different forms and consistently, because the Course, again, is consistent. So we are part of God. We are one of His thoughts, and we are strong, powerful, unlimited, certain, a reality, and we are the light. So I hope this helped. It might have been a little long. This is a really important lesson because it's giving us a lot of new concepts. So I hope it helped. I hope you are understanding this. I congratulate you for getting this far. I will do that often. Please like, please share, please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe. Please be here tomorrow. Namaste.